So here we are with the CX-50, a very dirty one. At the moment, we got snow last week and I didn't have time to clean the vehicle properly. So what I want to do is clear my rear window, but this is on the way. So this gets a little bit tricky to clean the full window, and also what I will show here is how to remove this piece so you can change the wiper blades and or just lift that up so you can properly clean. So we have this very sturdy piece over here. So this is a plastic piece, but this is not what's holding this together like the CX-5. So you want to pull on the sides over here. You see it starts to get loose. It's a very sturdy piece, but what I have to do is just pull. Okay, so here we are. Just gonna put this over here. So here is this where it gets tricky. So this is like a stopper and it's a very tiny piece. Okay, let me just grab a light over here. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so we're gonna remove this using like a knife or anything that is kind of pointy. Okay, so all I have to do is just go in there and pull up. Simple as that. So that piece over here, that's it. I'm just gonna put this light over there. Okay, so that's the piece over there. Okay, I'm just gonna put it over there. So with that out, you can just get this up, and this is another part where it gets tricky, right? So this is easy to clean, all good, but if you want to remove, you have to, in this position over here, okay, just look at that. So you have to twist to the right, and there you go. Okay, very important is this metal piece over here. You have to keep it when you're changing, or your wiper blade is just gonna fall off. Okay, so to put that back again, you see there's insert in that position over there, and then there you go, and then you just put the piece back again where it belongs. Oh, forgot to put the stopper. So without the stopper, nothing will really happen, but you got to put that stopper over there to prevent anything, right? So you can't put it in wrong. It's just one way, and until you hear a click. There you go. This is a sturdy piece, so don't feel you're not gonna break it. Okay, and there you go, folks. That's the rear wiper. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, put in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. And if you like my my videos, just put. I'm just gonna bring more content over here, so feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.